Most people choose field service software based on popularity, not performance, and that's where things go wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best tool is not the one with the most features, it's the one that actually fits how your business runs every day. In this video, you'll get a clear comparison of Workiz versus Housecall Pro in 2026, what each one does best, and which platform is actually better for your field service business. Let's break it down simply. First, what are these tools? Both are field service management platforms used by companies like plumbing, HVAC, cleaning, and repair services. One of them is Workiz, and the other is Housecall Pro. Now here's the core difference. Workiz is built heavily around scheduling, dispatching, and call handling. It focuses on managing jobs efficiently, especially for teams that handle a high volume of incoming requests. Housecall Pro, on the other hand, is built as an all-in-one platform with strong emphasis on customer experience, marketing, and easy job management. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your business gets a lot of incoming calls and you need tight control over dispatching technicians, Workiz usually feels more structured. Alex, who runs a locksmith business, switched to Workiz because he needed faster job assignment during peak hours. But here's the problem. Workiz can feel a bit more complex for beginners. It is powerful, but it takes time to fully set up and optimize. Now let's talk about Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is known for its simplicity. The interface is cleaner, onboarding is easier, and small business owners can get started quickly without heavy setup. Jake, who runs a small cleaning service, chose Housecall Pro because he could manage everything from his phone within a day of setup. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Automation is a big difference. Workiz offers strong dispatch automation and workflow control. Housecall Pro focuses more on customer communication, estimates, and marketing tools like email follow-ups. So think of it like this. Workiz is more operations focused. Housecall Pro is more customer experience focused. But here's the trade-off. Workiz gives you deeper control but requires more setup time. Housecall Pro gives you speed and simplicity, but slightly less operational depth in advanced workflows. Now let's talk mobile usage. Both platforms have mobile apps, but Housecall Pro is often praised for being easier for technicians in the field. Workiz Mobile is powerful, but slightly more detailed, which can feel heavy for beginners. Now here's the key question everyone asks. Which one is actually better in 2026? If you are a growing business with multiple technicians, heavy scheduling needs, and high job volume, Workiz is often the stronger operational choice. If you are a small to mid-size business that values simplicity, fast setup, and customer-friendly tools, Housecall Pro is usually better. But here's the smartest approach most people ignore. Your choice should depend on your workflow, not features. If you need control and structure, go Workiz. If you need simplicity and speed, go Housecall Pro. So let's quickly summarize. Workiz is best for advanced scheduling, dispatching, and operational control. Housecall Pro is best for ease of use, customer communication, and fast setup. And once you understand this difference, choosing between them becomes much easier and far less risky. If this comparison helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.